What's inside the M Night box? Everything you need for a full night of missions. You can use it as an individual, with your church, student group, or with friends and family. M Night consists of 4 sessions, led by our CCWM ministry leaders who have extensive experience on the mission field. After each session, our planning team has provided a 5-minute activity. This will help you engage with the message in a way that's both fun and educational. The M Night box includes a vinyl sticker with the M Night 22 theme, Here as in Heaven, as well as all the session activity accessories that will help create a hands-on time of discussion with your M Night guests. You'll receive a recipe to cook up a delicious Mongolian cuisine. It's simple to make and certain to delight whoever you are inviting to your M Night table. And if you have children, CCWM wants to reach their young hearts for missions as well. They will learn about Sarah, a daughter of missionaries, and what she experienced seeing her new world for the first time. The M Night box has 2 activities for children to participate in. There's a craft to go along with the provided story, and there's a big world map that they will color along with while exploring a different part of our globe. And everyone gets the coveted CCWM pen. Seriously, it's the pen most talked about. And most important, you will receive your link to all of the speakers and videos. So who will you be inviting to the M Night on Saturday, February 26th? Your missions night starts right here. It's $20. Order yours soon so that we can ship it to your mailbox. ccwm.org/mnight.